Hey G Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool measurement right here, and basically what this is a grill thermometer. So you can definitely use this to actually check like the temperature on your meat, your seafood, or basically anything that you're cooking. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and this is basically what the packaging looks right here. And also, if you can see in the bottom part here, they show you guys some of the features or specs that's on here as well. And supposedly for the part right here, it has a really strong magnet in the back. So that way, if you guys want to stick it on your refrigerator, you definitely can. So I'm actually opening this up first to show you guys what the product looks like and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, you guys can see this what actually looks like inside. So they basically provide you guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set the product and how to use it. And inside the user manual, they provide you guys the QR code to actually download the app on here. But right underneath that, if you can see, we do have the product right here. So let's take that out first. Alright, so once we take it out, if you can see in the bottom right here, there's definitely some more stuff as well. So they provide you guys a USB to micro USB cable. So you can definitely use that to recharge the product. They provide you guys this accessory right here if you guys need to use it. And then right here, if you can see, they provide you guys the 4 different probes on here that's in use. And for 3 of these right here, it actually comes with a cover to actually cover it up. So that way you guys don't have to worry about stabbing yourself or hurting yourself because it is pretty sharp on some of these right here. And basically for the other end, you guys want to plug it onto the product. But definitely when you guys feel the cable or the wiring right here, it definitely feels like a high quality cable. And supposedly for the wire or the cable right here, they're also water resistant or heat resistant as well. So you don't have to worry about that either. And then last but not least, we have the actual product. So when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So they do have the brand logo right here. And I'm assuming this is the power button right here or one of the buttons on here. And if you guys turn it to the back right here, they do have the anti-skid material on the bottom right here. So that way the product will not move around. And supposedly in the back part right here, they do have a magnet. So if you guys want to stick it onto your refrigerator, you definitely can. And at the very bottom, they do have an on and off switch right here. So if you guys want to turn on, just go like that. And basically the product turns on right here. But it is covered right here, so you guys can't really see it. So we do need to take off this part right here first. Alright, so once you guys plug it in, you can definitely see that it is on. But because we don't have any of the probe plugged in yet, we can't really use it. And also on this little note card right here, they actually tell you guys right here to actually plug in all the way for the probes if you guys want to get like an accurate reading. But this actually looks like in the bottom part right here. If you turn in the top part right here, you can definitely see that we have the slot for you guys to plug in the cable to recharge it. So that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. Let me actually plug in the bottom part right here first to show you guys what it actually looks like, and then we'll test it out to see what actually works. So here is 1, here is 2, here is 3, and here is 4. So if you see when I actually plug it in, it definitely does work. So if you guys want to check 1 temperature or 2 temperature or whatever, you can definitely do all of that on here. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys plug in all the probes on here. If you guys want to turn off the product, you basically want to press and hold this button right here. And if you guys want to rotate the screen, you basically want to double tap it. If you can see, it rotates upside down. If you guys want to rotate it back, you just want to double tap it. And it turns back the other way right here. So before we actually go test this out, let me actually download the app and actually pair it together first. Alright, so we just finished downloading the app right here. So it's called BBQ Go. So once you guys finish downloading the app, you guys want to actually connect it right here. So looking for the device. So it's telling us to short press it 1 time. Alright, so we got connected. So if you can see we're actually connected, this is basically what the app looks like right here. So you can definitely see the temperature for all 4 of the probes on here. And it labels 1, 2, 3, 4. So that way you guys know which is which. And they also show you guys the battery on top right here. So that way you guys know whether or not the product is fully charged or not. And also if you guys want to change it from Celsius or Fahrenheit, you can definitely do that on the app as well. And there's a lot of other functionality that you guys can do on the app as well that you guys can't do on the actual product. So if you guys want to change a different setting on here or customize it, you can definitely do all of that on the actual app right here. But it's definitely really cool how it actually has an app option. So that way if you guys want to stick this into your meat and check the temperature and walk away, you could basically actually see the temperature on here from anywhere. And also when you see on the side right here, they do have some timer option as well. So if you guys want to set like a timer of how long you guys want to actually cook the meat, you can definitely do that on here as well. So I click on this right here. You can see how you can set the timer on here. And we click on this one right here. They basically have like a preset option on here. So if you guys want to cook like meat, if you guys want to cook like seafood, you guys definitely have all these options on here. And definitely if you guys want to add your own settings on here for different meat or whatever, if you guys want to cook like corn or whatever, you can definitely add it on here in the bottom as well. So before we actually go test this out, let me actually plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it first. Alright, so I'm plugging in the top part right here. If you can see right here, it basically shows you guys that it is charging right here with the battery logo right here. So that is how you guys charge the product. I'm assuming once it's fully charged, that will stop blinking right there. but that is basically how you guys charge the product. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually go test this out and show you guys how it works and when actually it works, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so I got the product right here. So first thing I want to do is take off these cover right here first. Alright, so we got all the cover off. So we're going to turn on the product first. So we got it on, if you can see right here. So you see all of them are showing roughly around 80 something degrees. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to use app option, you definitely can as well. So I'm going to turn that on and put it on the side. Alright, so I'll probably leave it around somewhere around here. So that way you guys can actually see the results on here and not just on here. But let's test it out to see when it actually works. So all of them right now are showing 80 something degrees. But once you actually put it inside right here with the hot water, it should be much hotter. So I'm going to put all 4 of them in. Alright. So you can definitely see the numbers on all 4 of them went up. So it's all showing roughly around like 160 degrees. So definitely really cool how they give you guys the option to actually view the temperature on here. Or if you guys want to view in the app, you definitely can as well. And definitely give you guys a fast result on here. But you definitely see the product definitely works on here. Alright, so right here with the product, let's test out the magnet option on here. Alright. So you can see it definitely does work if you guys use the magnet option in the back. So basically stick this anywhere as you want to. You don't have to stick it onto the refrigerator. You basically stick it anywhere that's actually magnetic. If you see right here. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you saw a quick test, I probably definitely see it actually does work. Actually works quite well. It's definitely really cool how they actually give you guys the option to use this basically anywhere as long as you guys have it connected onto the app. And it's also really cool how they provide you guys 4 of these probes on here. So if you guys want to check the temperature on 4 different things, you definitely can, especially because of how long the actual wire is. And I also love the fact of how it actually has like a magnetic option in the back. So that way if you guys want to stick it in the refrigerator until you guys need it again, you can definitely do that on here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys cook a lot or if you guys grill a lot, then definitely getting one of these is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.